Do you ever feel like your gardening space is just too small for your ambitions? Welcome to the world of vertical gardening, a brilliant solution that saves space, simplifies maintenance, and adds a unique aesthetic appeal to your surroundings. You might be wondering, how can you set up your own vertical garden? Stay tuned. Creating your own vertical garden is easier than you might think. First, let's scout out a suitable location. It's crucial to find a spot that gets plenty of sunlight, yet also has some protection from harsh weather. Next, let's pick our vertical gardening structure. Walls, fences, and trellises are all excellent choices. Just ensure it's sturdy enough to support the weight of your plants. Now, it's time to prepare the soil. Quality compost mixed with well-draining garden soil forms an ideal base for most plants. Remember to enrich the soil with organic matter such as worm castings to provide nutrients for your plants. Finally, we plant. Choose a variety of plants to create visual interest. Consider factors like color, texture, and growth habits. Plant the taller ones at the top and the shorter ones at the bottom. And just like that, your vertical garden is ready to thrive. To ensure your vertical garden thrives, there are a few key points to remember. First, select plants that are well suited to vertical growth. Vines, trailing varieties, and climbers are all excellent choices. Next, ensure your plants receive adequate water, but avoid overwatering. A good rule of thumb is to keep the soil moist, not soaked. Regular maintenance is also crucial. This includes pruning, checking for pests, and adding nutrients as needed. With these tips in mind, your vertical garden is sure to be a success. Vertical gardening is a fantastic way to maximize your growing space. Remember, choosing the right plants, providing proper care, and using walls, fences, or trellises can make a world of difference. Why wait? Embrace vertical gardening and relish the beauty it brings. Ready to transform your space with a vertical garden? The sky is the limit.